Yeah.
Back to that whole trust thing. So having worked in research, I know that often participants ask that they want to hear how's it going. I understand the research culture, rightfully so, is one that I can't really, I don't know, it's blinded, it's preliminary, it could be misleading, but how do you create that dialogue? Because the researchers are so often confined by these well-established rules of the game, right? It's got to be peer-reviewed, it's got to be discussed. I need to present it at a big conference where it's going to be discussed. But how do you create that dialogue so that people feel like, wow, I've been doing this for a year and nobody's told me yet what they found out, what they don't know, what they're, and it's been years that we've been struggling with this, but I don't know how you create that dialogue.
Yeah, I think that's a good question, and I don't know if any of I want to just acknowledge that there are researchers here in the room, and I am really thrilled that there are actually researchers in the room at a community presentation. I think that speaks volumes to those researchers, about those researchers that are here, because they don't always So I think it's important to make it clear to people, so if I was participating in a cure trial, say, that you let me know at the beginning, while this trial is going on, I may not know who's getting the treatment and who's not, if it's a blinded trial. And I won't be able to tell you anything about your particular circumstance until, maybe well after the trial is over. But what I can do is let you know about what's happening in the field, and maybe what do we know about this particular approach, if maybe I'm not the only one looking at this approach. Or what do we know about other approaches, and how does what we're doing fit? So I think we can give people some general knowledge, even if it may not be knowledge very specific to that study. And then people might have a sense of, how do I fit and how does this fit? Anne?
Well, one of the things that I have done, I am one of the researchers. There's a study, a long-term study that I'm involved in, and what I have done is, actually on the national scale, done a newsletter that goes to every participant, regardless of where they are in the country, that has information, both nuts and bolts, how many people are in the study, what kind of demographics do they have, as well as information about sort of risks and benefits of the things that people are undergoing, and then also results. Generally results that have been presented at a medical meeting for exactly the reason that you say. People may not be aware, but when you want to present something at a medical meeting, if it's already in the lay press, they won't accept your information. The same is very true for medical journals. If something has been in the lay press before it gets submitted to a medical journal, most journals won't accept it. And they will accept information that has been shared at official meetings, but not something that's just we're telling you, a press release.
What do you mean by laid press? So
newspapers and social media, magazines.
So something that's not,
so anything, when we talk about the medical literature,